Best thing about making money online. Whenever I'm sick, my stunt double is still working 24 hours a day. My automated business don't stop. Take it away, Nick.
I'm going to give you 5 business ideas for beginners that we're going to go over in this video that you can get started with today. Make sure you like and save this video so you can come back to it. Make sure you follow me and turn on post notifications so you can get continued content on how to create income streams on TikTok and learn business ideas for beginners on this platform. If you're new here, I'm Nicholas Francis, aka Mr. Millionaire Insight. I've helped thousands of people on this app to literally monetize their social media, and I've made myself quite an income using this very free platform to monetize it and to turn that into viable income streams that I can support my family and still have the time to be home to homeschool my kids. Number 5, selling merch like this hat, right? This is a low barrier to entry that most people can get into absolutely free. I use a platform, a print on demand company called Printful to create hats like this and custom shirts. And you can actually sell ones that you create yourself, or you can actually have your audience, your highly engaged audience, request custom merch that they can customize for themselves. And you can sell that without having to stock anything, without having to ship anything. They will warehouse your products for you if that's the case that need be, or you can actually have products that you design and create, and then they will print, pack, and ship those, and they do them one at a time. You don't have to do mass orders, right? So if somebody orders one hat or one shirt, they can order one hat or one shirt. But I know you're talented, so they'll be able to order more than one, right? That's the whole hope, that's the whole goal, right? Number 4, become a TikTok Shop affiliate or TikTok Shop seller. Now, for this one, you literally don't have to spend any money whatsoever to get into this particular income stream. You are literally monetizing other people's products that they created, and they offer content creators like us the chance to sell the products for them, so they can be able to make a commission, but you will also make a commission too. Right now, TikTok Shop has been one of the most fastest rising platforms out there on social media. So, leveraging that aspect, and people have spent over $1 billion on TikTok Shop. So, people may not want to buy or came to buy here, but they definitely shop here. So, being a content creator, understanding how to create and master creating content that converts, that will draw people to products you can promote using TikTok, literally will get you the income stream that you need, but you need the guidance, right? Which we'll get to later. All right. So you can do the TikTok Shop seller where you sell your own products, like I mentioned, this hat, but you can also be an affiliate where you can create content for TikTok Shop sellers like me, featuring this hat and other products like that, right? You share how valuable it is to you, what you like about it, and you get people attracted to it that way, and people buy, right? So that's how you can get that, but you need at least 5,000 followers. But here's a little caveat here: allegedly, they're letting people that don't have 5,000 followers get into the program. Allegedly, right? So make sure you do all the things like engage consistently, so you can look attractive. And if you see, when I say attractive, attractive to the TikTok people, right? The TikTok powers that be, right? And they will invite you or give you the option to apply to become a TikTok Shop affiliate or a TikTok Shop seller. Number three would be becoming a how-to creator, showing people how to do things on the internet, showing people to do something maybe you're a little more versed in than most people are. Whether you cook, whether you bake, or you do hair, or you create content, or you do something, there's something in you that you can do better than most people, or you can just take something you've seen on the For You page and literally duplicate that using your own voice, your own face, or you could even do it faceless and do green screen and show people exactly how to do things on your videos. That way, becoming more valuable and make it involve a little more of your personality in there, make a few comments here and there that are related to it, and get people excited about what you're teaching them. And you could become a how-to dude or a how-to girly. Number two is becoming an Amazon affiliate. An Amazon affiliate, somebody literally creates short form content, maybe a minute, 2 minutes long, featuring commentary on how they bought something and how valuable it is to them and why they liked it. And if somebody that's shopping, let's say for this marker, if they're shopping for this and they click on your video and they like your review and they buy because of your video, your review, then they will go and pay you a percentage of the cost of this marker in this example for you to be able to get paid for bringing that company and that seller on Amazon that customer. Again, we talk about themes like this on this channel a lot, telling people about your experience. Why is it that even if we find something that we know we can afford, that we know is something that we want to need and we're ready to buy, but we still look at those reviews? Hold on to that for later because it's going to be definitely a good thing to remember. Number one, the most prolific in my opinion, is becoming a coach or a mentor, right? Leveraging your talent, your skill, your prowess in whatever it is, and teaching the masses how to do that. Again, sharing your experiences, sharing your vision, sharing your goals, and why you decided to get into that thing that you want to teach. Because why? Because God put something in you that He knew would be more valuable to the world coming out of your mouth, coming through your life experience. So you can teach people. You can get to the part that you're getting paid to teach people the things and to mentor people in the skill set that you currently have. Now for the bonus. If you want to know what it is I'm doing utilizing all of these tips I gave you in this video, make sure that you pay attention because I've literally taken every last one of these and folded them into my business. And I started an academy to teach people exactly how I have done things like this and leverage businesses that I did not design, did not create, and I do not maintain, but I make 100%. It's called digital marketing franchising. Marketing is the biggest thing ever to hit business on planet Earth. And leveraging those skills, you can be able to promote every last one of the things that I have just mentioned in this video. So if you want to become a student and learn what it is I know and learn how I've used this app to monetize and literally make thousands of dollars and be a homeschool dad, literally giving me more time and more income, put ready in the comments and I would love to send you some information.
Now enrolling.